everyone, welcome back. It is good to have you, Angela, of course. I hope that you are excited as I am today. We're going to be sharing in the Secret Garden bundle collections that I've been wanting to share with you for ages. I'm sorry it was a day late. I got one item that I was waiting on, and gosh, it was the item I ordered ages ago, but yeah, it eventually arrived, so here I am. Thank you for your patience and all your kindness. I really appreciate it. Now, I've got a couple of things like always. As you know, last week I launched the Secret Garden journal collection. So that's the digitals and the printed kits. And those are available in my Etsy shop and in my website shop, angelakerrdesigns.com. All right, so all the links for any of that will be in the description box below. But along with this always goes all the little extras I like to use in my journal. So if you're following along, you're welcome to use exactly what I'm using to make the same journal project. Of course, you can make your own journal project or use these in other journals as well. You don't have to use it with this one. But I know lots of people like to follow along and use what I have. So here we go. Here are the ribbons. This is the ribbon bundle. It's made up of 17 different ribbon types or varieties in all the colors that complement. That's why I've put this here. The Secret Garden journal. So you have got your soft yellows, you've got your lovely greens, you've got your lavenders that are here, you've got these beautiful vintage pinks like the closure here, and of course the lovely dusky pinks as well, and a little bit of raspberry here and there. All right, all of these are 1 meter in length. They vary in width from little as 7 mils right up to this one, which is 40 mils. Now this one is a lovely ribbon. It's wired ribbon and a beautiful quality ribbon. It's edged with some darker color of the one in the middle here. So we've got this beautiful soft lilac and then a darker mauve edged here. This one's 2 meters, and this is going to be the closure for our journal. So I love this one. I love the feel of it. All right, so that's what I have here. Now all the bundles, unfortunately, I only have them available in my website shop, and that's just because I want to keep it as low as possible as far as the charges are concerned. Etsy take a large proportion, as you know, and that means I would have to make it even more expensive, which I don't want to do. All right, so there we go. That's the ribbon bundle. Now you can buy the ribbon bundle on its own. I'll have a limited number of those, so you can have a look for those. So that's the first one, and I'm going to just move it to the side there. So the very next one I wanted to share with you are the lace bundle. So here we've got the lace bundle, and I love this bundle. It's got all the pinks and ivories that you can imagine. We have got 4 different types of Capure lace here. So you've got this beautiful flower one in this lovely pink. You've got this lovely daisy one, which is absolutely stunning. I love that. And as we're doing florals and gardens, you know, what could be better? We have this beautiful, delicate, embroidered one here as well, in a lovely ivory. And then we've used this before, but it just goes so well with this kit. I couldn't help but put this in again, purely for the flowers that I like to cut up and use. So those are that's the lace bundle. You can buy it on its own, or I'll get to the complete thing at the end. All right, so we've got this lovely dusky pink. This is a stretch lace, but such a pretty floral and just perfect for what we want, so that you've got 1 meter of that as well. These are all 1 meter. We've got this one as well. This is a lovely flat lace. That's perfect for pockets or edging or anything. You've got 1 meter of that. You've got 1 meter of each of these. So you've got 8 meters, I think it is. 4, 5, yeah, 8. So all the colors that you're going to need. Cotton, beautiful cotton crocheted lace. This lovely one that I've used before, but again, beautiful color. So all of these are going to go perfectly with our journal. So there we have those. Isn't that lovely? I'm going to move that just to the top over there. Okay, The next thing I'm going to share with you are the buttons, and I always look for the buttons first because I'm very particular about the sizes. I don't want to go too big. I like the colors and everything. So I'm going to just empty this out. You get 45 buttons. I think there's probably 46 or 47, but I'm going with 45. You might get a few extras if I've lost my count somewhere along the way. So you get all the colors that you need. Beautiful, from very tiny, and I've got a tinier one than that. You know, some browns that are gonna, there, look, that's the smallest one. I think that one's 9mm, all right, which is really tiny. We've got lovely colors here, beautiful buttons, so all the colors that you need. Oops, it's sticking on me. So those are the buttons, perfect for our flowers, adding embellishments and all sorts. And that comes in this little glassine bag, which we can easily scrap, and I did that last time. All right, so that's the buttons. Right, now I've got the last little bit here, are the fabrics, and I'm going to start off sharing with you the actual fabric I'm going to use. And I love this. I'm in love. This is my best one ever, in my opinion. But this is the fabric I'm designed for the cover. So you'll notice we have a page like this, although I've made this slightly different in size. But this is the piece we're going to put on our journal cover. How amazing is that going to look with this as a closure? So can you see it all coming together? All right, so this piece is cut 18 by 11 inches. All right, so that's going to be able to make you the size journals that I usually make, and we all make, which is 6.5 wide by 9 inches with about a 3-inch spine. You can go anywhere up to that. You can make it shorter, gives you about 1 inch all around the edges there. So that is just gorgeous, and aren't you in love with that? So that's your cover piece. Yeah, absolutely love that. So that's our cover piece. All the details for the fabrics that I use, it's a cotton drill, all of that is in the description box for the listings on my website. I give you a full breakdown of widths, how many, and exactly what you get. All right, except I haven't told you every detail of buttons, but I explain what they're about. All right, so that's your cover piece. So I'm going to put that over there. I think we need to move these up just a little bit, and the buttons just to the side. And of course, I like to use fabrics for all sorts of reasons, and I have added an extra 8. We had 8 last time as well, in this selection, and these all go perfectly, and this is probably one of my favorites. All right, so look at that. Isn't that pretty? So beautiful soft pinks, the green that we used before, and I love that green. This one is very similar. It's my own one. It's similar to the cover, but the print is smaller. All right, and it's on cotton, poplin, so it's thinner, so we can use it in our actual journal. Because while I was making the spring one, I did have moments where I thought, gosh, I would have loved to have used a piece of that for a ruffle, but of course it was too thick. So this is a lovely lightweight cotton. It's poplin. And how lovely does that look? Along with our ribbons and little bits to add to the sides of the journal, it's going to be amazing. All right, so this is the size of these pieces. They are 10 inches by 7, which is more than enough for what we're going to do for our journal. And you've got 8 of those. All right, so you've got your own little bundle here going on. All right, so we've got the pink, we've got the lovely green, we've got the one I've just shared with you, this lovely yellow, which picks up on all those yellow roses in there. We've got a lilac one. Now these are all from Liberty of London or Rose and Hubble, except for my own, which is my own. Angela Kerr Designs. All right, so I find that the quality of their fabrics and the sort of ditzy designs are exactly what I like to use. So, and I know you guys do too, so that's beautiful. This one is amazing. Look how tiny those little roses are. I just love them. They're all florally, or every one of them, because we're doing a garden, so we want, you know, all the florals. So, and this one, beautiful, goes beautifully there. Just love it. And then of course this one, and this, oh gosh, this is my favorite. I do love it. It's a Liberty of London fabric. It's got the pinks, the greens and the mauves in there, and it's just amazing. Just look at that. All right, so those are the bundles so far. This is the fabric bundle. In the fabric bundle, you'll get a piece of the cover fabric, and you'll get the 8 little pieces that are going to be able to be used in your journal as well. So this constitutes the fabric bundle. All right, now I am not putting a complete and an ultimate bundle together. I've just got an ultimate bundle because that's the one everyone wanted last time. All right, so if you're going to buy, you can buy the lace bundle on its own, you can buy the ribbon bundle on its own, and you can buy the fabric bundle on its own. But there's one other bundle that I haven't shared with you, and that includes the freebie really of the buttons and the little decorative element that I like to give you as a freebie. So this is a 1/2 meter of the small daisy. It's not the 1-inch daisy, it's the tiny one. It's only 15 mils, so that's just over 1/2 inch. And then these beautiful little bits that you can cut off, and we're going to decorate with them. So that's just your little freebie. This comes only with the ultimate bundle along with the buttons. The buttons I don't sell separately, it's part of this whole package. All right, so you get all of that as an ultimate bundle, and that goes together. Now, you know I like to use these bags, so we will have one of these for the fabric, one of the ones with the pink as well. Lovely paper bags which you can also add to your journals as well. All right, and then the lace one comes with a smaller version of that as well. All right, everybody, I hope that you've enjoyed that. I will have them listed, as I say, the ultimate bundle, this is it, and then the individual bundles in my website shop. So please don't go look on Etsy because I'm not putting them there. If you're having any trouble, please drop me a note via the contacts page on my website. And I would just like to mention, overseas orders are capped at the post office at 2 kilograms in weight. So if you're ordering more than you've, especially with journal kits now, printed kits, they weigh about 750 grams each. So after you've ordered 2, it sort of throws the postage price out at £99, which is not what the postage is. If you ever face that situation, I just had another lady message me about that today. Separate your order. Not so much with this because this is really light, but with printed kits, or if you're doing printed and things, just bear in mind anything more than 2 printed kits, I would make a separate order for anything like that, because I do have people that order numerous amounts, but of course I will split them into bundles that will not exceed that weight, because I can't send anything more than that weight, and I will refund you the difference. But if you have just put it all together and it's come out at £99, I do refund you whatever the remainder is. All right, so it's usually at least half. All right, everyone, so let me know if you have any questions or anything you'd like to ask me. If you, I know I've had 1 or 2 people message me that they're not around at the moment, or they are working and they're going away. If you need any questions answered, just contact me via the contacts page. It'll go straight to my email, and I will, I check my email quite a few times in the day. All right, please don't send me, I'm not great with Messenger, guys. Facebook Messenger is where I look the last. I've got 6 different places I need to check up on for everybody's messages, and email is the best, and that's angelakerr2468@gmail.com, and that's in the link in the description box below if you didn't get that. All right, take good care of yourselves, and I hope that you're all excited. We're still going to go on with the Spring Splendor Journal, but I will be getting this all sorted. Now, this is a pre-order, and you'll see that on the listings. I will be sending this out during the course of next week. All right, so take good care of yourselves, and thank you for watching and bearing with me, and I look forward to hearing from you all soon. See you soon on Friday. Bye.